In recent years, the market for Android smartwatches has expanded significantly, offering more high-quality options than ever before. However, the industry is still in a phase of transition. While the availability of third-party apps has improved, the market remains somewhat fragmented. Currently, Wear OS 4 is featured on Samsung's Galaxy Watches, the Pixel Watch models, and the OnePlus Watch 2, with Wear OS 5 expected to be released soon. Despite these advancements, some features, like Google Assistant, may not be available on all Wear OS 3 devices, and Wear OS 4 has not yet become universally accessible. As the Android smartwatch ecosystem continues to evolve, those interested in the latest technology may choose to wait until the platform matures. In the meantime, there are also versatile smartwatches and fitness trackers available that do not rely on specific operating systems. For those looking to purchase a new smartwatch, it's important to consider the chipset and Wear OS version of the device to ensure it meets your needs. In this guide, we review the best Android smartwatches currently on the market. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Mvoy TicWatch Pro 5. The Mvoy TicWatch Pro 5, priced at $262, exemplifies an impressive evolution in the realm of Android smartwatches. This model boasts a significant upgrade with its advanced Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Plus chip, offering a substantial improvement in functionality and energy efficiency. One of the standout features of the TicWatch Pro 5 is its exceptional battery life. With a robust 628 mAh battery and an innovative dual display system, it provides up to 80 hours of usage with standard functions. During my testing, it achieves a commendable 48 to 60 hours even under heavy GPS use, surpassing many competitors in this category. The watch is built for durability, featuring a 50mm case and a design that includes a digital crown for easy navigation, particularly useful during vigorous activities. The TicWatch Pro 5 excels in fitness tracking, offering advanced metrics such as VO2 max, recovery time, and heart rate monitoring with a color-changing backlight to indicate different heart rate zones. This real-time feedback is invaluable for optimizing workouts. Additionally, it includes stress tracking, all-day blood oxygen monitoring, and a barometer and compass app for outdoor adventures. Despite its lack of a built-in digital assistant, the Pro 5 provides a compelling blend of smart features, making it ideal for those who prioritize extended battery life. Number 4. OnePlus Watch 2. The OnePlus Watch 2, priced at $300, marks a significant improvement over its predecessor and addresses the gap left by Fossil's exit from the Android smartwatch market. This model features Wear OS 4 and delivers outstanding battery life. It offers up to 100 hours of use in smart mode, 48 hours with the always-on display activated, and an impressive 12 days in power-saving mode. The watch is crafted from durable stainless steel and sapphire crystal, enhancing its longevity and premium feel. One notable feature of the OnePlus Watch 2 is its dual-frequency GPS, which provides accurate location tracking even in challenging conditions such as dense forests or bustling urban areas. Although it lacks LTE connectivity and some advanced health features like EKGs and fall detection, it compensates with a robust suite of smart features. The inclusion of Google Assistant and access to the Google Play Store means users can enjoy a wide range of apps and functionalities. The OnePlus Watch 2 is a great choice for those who need reliable battery life and a competitive price while making some trade-offs on premium features. Number 3. Google Pixel Watch 2. The Google Pixel Watch 2, retailing at $285, represents a significant upgrade from its predecessor, offering notable improvements in both utility and battery life. This model features Wear OS 4 and is powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 processor, which enhances overall experience and efficiency. With the always-on display enabled, the Pixel Watch 2 delivers around 24 hours of battery life. The watch's charging speed is impressive, reaching 50% in just 30 minutes and a full charge in approximately 75 minutes. One of the key advantages of the Pixel Watch 2 is its seamless integration with Google's ecosystem. It provides timely updates and access to essential services like Google Maps, Wallet, and YouTube Music. The watch also includes advanced health features such as a multipath sensor for more accurate heart rate tracking and a skin temperature sensor for proactive stress monitoring. New safety features, including Safety Check and Safety Signal, enhance its appeal. Despite some concerns about durability, the Pixel Watch 2 offers a comprehensive suite of features and is a strong choice for Android users, especially those invested in Google's ecosystem. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, priced at $229, offers a refined and enhanced experience with several key updates from its predecessors. This model features a slimmer rotating bezel, which is now 15% thinner than the previous version, and an upgraded display that is larger and easier to read. Available in 43mm and 47mm sizes, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic provides up to 30 hours of battery life with the always-on display activated, extending to 40 hours without it. The watch runs on Wear OS 4 and includes Samsung's One UI 5 watch, which introduces new features like extended battery life and cloud backups. The design improvements make it both sleek and functional, with the rotating bezel offering a tactile and intuitive way to navigate the interface. This model also benefits from enhanced health and sleep tracking features, though these updates will eventually be rolled out to older models as well. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is a solid choice for Samsung users, especially as new models are anticipated, potentially leading to favorable discounts on this version. For those on a tighter budget, alternatives such as the Galaxy Watch FE and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro offer additional value. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, priced at $248, stands out as Samsung's flagship smartwatch, combining durability with advanced features. This model is particularly notable for its robust health tracking capabilities, including EKG readings, body composition analysis, and turn-by-turn navigation. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is its impressive battery life, which can reach up to 65 hours with typical use, although enabling the always-on display reduces this to around 48 to 50 hours. This extended battery life is ideal for users who need a reliable smartwatch for extended periods without frequent recharging. Designed with durability in mind, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is well suited for rugged use, making it a great option for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness aficionados. It integrates seamlessly with Samsung devices, offering a comprehensive suite of features that includes built-in GPS and advanced health tracking. However, it is optimized primarily for Samsung phones, which may limit its functionality for users with non-Samsung devices. Despite this, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro delivers a premium experience with a strong focus on durability and functionality, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality smartwatch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.